Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the fringe flower up close. So I've been watching this fringe flower at Lowe's for a while now. Every time I walk past it, I stop, I look at it, and I think, one day you're coming home with me. I kept waiting for it to be marked down for it to show up on the clearance rack. Well, today was finally the day. I picked it up, I put it in my cart, and now it's officially a part of my garden family. Let's talk about what makes the fringe flower so cool. Its real name is Loropetalum, but most people call it the fringe flower because its blooms look like tiny frilly ribbons. It originally comes from Asia, especially places like China and Japan. That means it's used to warm weather, gentle rain, and lots of sunshine, kind of like what we get here in my zone 8. Now, is it an annual or a perennial? Good news, it's a perennial. That means it comes back every year, so once you plant it, you get to enjoy it again and again. No replanting, no starting over. It's like having a friend who never forgets to visit. The colors are one of my favorite things. That's what caught my eye. The fringe flowers can have bright pink blooms, deep purple leaves, or even reddish tones. The one I picked has those rich purple leaves that look amazing in sunlight. So let's talk size. A fringe flower can grow to be about 6 to 10 feet tall and 6 to 8 feet wide. It just depends on the variety that you get. That's pretty big, so you'll want to give it space to stretch out. Now for care, this plant is actually pretty easy. It likes well-drained soil, which means the water shouldn't sit around its roots. It also loves full sun to partial shade. So if you give it morning sun and a little afternoon shade, it should be super happy. And here's one last fun fact. The fringe flowers keep their color all year long. Even in winter, those purple leaves stay bright. So while other plants might be taking a nap, this one is still showing off. So thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.